welcome back to my channel. Did I scare ya? So today I'm back with a new video with a review because I thought why not do a review. So I'm reviewing the Treasure Chest palette by Barry M. I went into Boots, wasn't expecting to get anything, but you know how Boots just does its magic, and I got this palette and I think it looks really pretty. And I did it on my eyes today and on my lips. No, I'm kidding, not my lips, on my eyes. So if you guys want to see how this palette works, is it any good, is it terrible, then keep on watching. Decided to not put any highlight on today. Like, I thought I'd just go for real natural. Here is the palette. So this is the Barry M Treasure Chest palette, Baked Matte and Metallic Eyeshadow palette. Ooh. So open it up. Oh, it does go back. Lovely. These are what the colours look like. Does it look familiar to you? Does it look like another palette which, you know, might be a bit more expensive? Maybe like £50 or so. You know, maybe from a certain H brand.
Can't really think of the brand right now.
I want to create this kind of spacey look, like using these really pretty metallic purples. I've already played around with this palette once, but I didn't do it on camera and I didn't really do it properly. So I'm excited. So I've got my hair in these Springer Spaniel buns, and I'm wearing this like spacey themed top. And I'm excited. I have the palette here. It's really pretty. So I'm thinking to set my eye primer. I'm going to be using this shade here. They don't have shade names, but I'm just gonna. Is this shimmer? Does this have a shimmer? I think it might have a slight shimmer to it, which is real annoying. But I'm just gonna set this all over the eye. There's barely any fallout. I think I'm going to, because there aren't that many mattes, I'm going to put this shade through the crease. You've seen probably a bunch of beauty YouTubers put colours through the crease, so I'll just fast forward this bit. Again, there are barely any mattes, so I guess we're going to do the purples. So I'm going to take this and do it halo-y. Okay, just so you guys can see how messy this palette looks. If you thought Subculture was bad, you ain't seen nothing yet. I think I'm gonna go for this colour in the middle, because this colour just speaks to me. And I'm gonna put that in the middle using my finger. I'm gonna use a setting spray to wet my finger. Okay, and I'm just gonna go. I'm sorry to swear at you. Oh no. No! There is fallout. Oh, I just did my base first. I should just always do my eyes first. I usually do. Okay. This colour is real pretty though. I think I'm then going to go with this shade here, because this colour is also super gorge. So I'm going to take that in a smaller brush. I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to put that on the outer bit of the eye. I think the next shade I'm going to go in with is this beautiful rose gold here, and I don't really know where I'm going to put this, but I think it's just so pretty that I need to put it somewhere. Maybe I'll just go down the middle, like she pretty? So I cleared the bottom.
Button.
And we're now going to take some shades and we're going to run them under my lash line. So I'm going to take... Oh, I could have gone on that too. I'm going to take this and this and a bit this. I'm going to run that under my lash line. I just take it on that dirty brush again. And then for the inner part, I'm going to use this and this for just this little bit here. This colour here, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Sorry you had to see that. Oh, this colour is... This colour's pretty. Okay. Oh. Bit darker than I wanted to go, but it's still super pretty. Okay, so to finish the makeup look, I decided to put on some blue lipstick because I thought, why not be super extra? And the lashes I used were the Primark Sosu lashes in the style Dubai. And the eyeliner I used was the NYX one, the Epic ink liner, and I used the Benefit Bang Out mascara. So this is the overall look. The lashes are really freaking big. I didn't kind of expect them to be this big, but they are. I kind of like it. I feel very spacey, but also kind of like gothy. Like I could go to like an underground nightclub and just like chill out there. My final thoughts on the Barry M Treasure Chest palette is that I think it is a nice palette. For people trying to go for more adventurous colours, I think this is a really good drugstore option. I do have better eyeshadow qualities, but again, this was only $12.99 or something, and you do get a large range of shades. I wish there were more mattes, but I do love a good shimmer. I'd give it like a 6.5, 7 out of 10. I think I can get better payoff with other shadows, but again, this is just a nice option for the drugstore, and I like how more brands are going for more adventurous shades instead of just like warms or neutrals. It's just so boring. But yeah, I kind of like it. So anyway guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And make sure to watch my other video, which I will, well, my last video, which I will link in the description box below, alongside my Twitter and Instagram. Go look it up. It's a great place. My goodness. Good place. Go look it up. Yeah, so anyway guys, I hope you're having a great week, and will see you soon. Bye!